Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I haven't posted for a while, but now I'm going to show you how to make a Lego puzzle box. So first I have to say that we're going to show you how to solve it at the end in case you don't want to solve it and solve it by yourself. And the thing I really like about this puzzle is that it's small, but it's small for its size. Well, its difficulty. So without no things further to do, let's get into it. I'll show you the parts first. So I got the parts organized. So first you're gonna need one of a 4x4, I guess. Yeah, a 4x4 Lego plate. You're gonna need 2 of these 1x4 bricks. 1 of this, I guess, 2x8 or 2x4. I don't know what it's called. It's a tile. It just looks like this. We mostly have brown ones. And then you're gonna need 4 of the 1x2s. They look like this. You need 4 of them. You need 3 of these 1x1s. I guess you need 4 of these phones. Yeah. Well, 1x2 tiles. We call it phones. We need 2 of these grill pieces. I'll show them up close to you. Grill, because they're so small. You need 3 of these 1x4 plates. 3. You need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these 1x2s. I can't believe you need a lot of them. I'll show you with a different color. And then for the tiles, well, 1x1 tiles, we don't have a lot of them, so we just use eyes. If you don't have a lot of 1x1 tiles like this, then you could just use eyes. You need 5 of these Lego eyes or 1x1 tiles. If you have them, you can use. And then lastly, you need 3 of these 1x1 studs. Okay, let's get building. So obviously, first you're gonna need your plate. Then you need to snap the 2x4 tile on. Now you get to use your 4x4s. 1x4. So you can snap it on. I'm also interested in cubing, so that's why I accidentally call it Lego things. Like that. Then you need 2 2x2s to put it on like this. And then you need 1 of your 1x1 tiles to rise. Then put them on your right. Yeah, right. Side. I know it's showing it's the left, but right is this way. You want it to be on your right side. So if we turn it around, it's on the right, but it's not how it goes. And then on your other side, you're gonna need to put 1 of these studs. And then on the one with a tile, you get to put a 2x2 right there. Where next to the tile. And then you just put a 1 by 1 on the opposite side. Okay, so we're now done with the base. Now we need to do is make the puzzle. So you need a 4 by 4. Then we need to snap on a 2 by 2. Well, this is not a 4 by 4. It's a 1 by 4. And then you need one of your vents and snap it on. On the other side, you get to put a 2 by 2 and a 1 by 2. And then you can put your vent on here. The vent is what we're mainly looking for. And then we need another 1 by 1 tile or eye. And then snap it on next to our prize. And we actually need a 1 by 1 and a 1 by 1 tile. Then we just need to snap it on and put it on, obviously, here. And then we could just slide it in. If it's the wrong way, like it just did to me, just do it the opposite way. So put your 1 by 2 tile on the 1 by 2 tile on the opposite side. You might need to break things for a second. So now it should look like this. Then you can just put it on. Then you need a 1 by 2 tile and 1 by 2 plate. Snap it on. That was a big snap. Then you have a hole. You should have a hole right here in the bottom. And then you put it in the hole. See? This hole, you put it in the hole. Okay. Now we need to get one of these. It has to be a phone or else it won't work. And you put it on the blue of my screen. That blue 1 by 1 stud. You put it on, making it towards inward. This drops a lot. So like this. It's above the 1 by 1 stud and it's facing inward. It's hard to show. Anyway, as speaking, we need to fix this. So when you put it in, squeeze the 1 by 2 tile you have. Mine is dark green, and then you squeeze it really hard. So it still falls out. It's worth it. Okay, let's see. Okay, now we need to make 2 of these. So it should look like this. And now you're gonna put one right here and right here. Hold on. You put them on each corner. See the 2 eyes? One is right here. I'll just show you. One should be placed right here. And one should be placed right here. Okay, got that? And then you just put it in. And then it won't do it anymore because you put this 2 by 2 on the corner so it won't fall. And then you mostly need to cover it by 2 by 2s, but I think you need something first. So first, put one right here. Put a 1 by 1 stud right here. Sorry, I'm trying to make it clear. Put this 1x2 stud in a circular stud plate, and put it right here so the phone can go like that. It's on the phone, basically. Or tile. I keep calling it phone, sorry guys. And then you just need to cover the rest edges with these. And then it should look like this. We almost done. Okay? So then we need to take this and put it on top. Well, this should be at the bottom, but it's at the bottom. No. Yeah, it should be in the bottom corner. Or, it's supposed to be in the front corner, actually. Like, right next to you. Like this. And then you need to put one on it. Then put one on here. On the eye. And the 1x2 stud, of course. This fall out again. I have so many issues. And then you get 2 of these. And put them on the outlines. So, right here and right here. And then next, you need the final piece to put on here. You see that hole? We need to cover that hole by putting it right there. And then you got a finished Lego puzzle box. This is, by the way, I forgot to mention, this is from a guy called Puzzle Lego. Good shout out to him, because this video wouldn't exist without him. So first, it's obvious. You need to slide a tile until you see an eye. The other one won't work. And then you tip it out. And now you can push this forward. Force on the back, you'll see 2 pieces. You can't grab this piece, but you can grab this piece. 5, put the key inside the hole. And then when you put the key in, then on the other side, it sticks out. And then 7th, you push this back in. And 8, shake the eye out. It's from here because we just moved it. And then you can pull this out, which is including 9 steps. And then what we all wanted, the vent. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye!